Hello. Today we are going to do a short tutorial on the NLP tool created by the CTSI and the Center for Biomedical Informatics. First, you will see the home page. Everyone with current city training may use their wakehealth.edu credentials to log in. You will see this page after logging in, which is our policies. Familiarize yourself with the terms of use. Once you've read through them, you can click Close. Now you will see the Dashboards page. We are going to be using the Search Kibana Accessible Notes, otherwise known as SKAN. Click on this link to access the dashboard. Here you will see several different panels. The first is the Information panel. This panel tells us a little bit more of what this dashboard can do. Next, we see the Visualization panel. This is a breakdown of all the different reports that we have by year. It is an interactive tool, so if you hover over a section, you can see how many reports we have for that year in this sample data that is used to give the tutorial. Please note that the numbers that you see are not real data and is created solely for tutorial purpose only. Next, we have the Count panel. This will tell us the total number of reports, the total number of unique encounters, and the total number of unique patients. We also have the Control panel that can filter notes. If you click on Filter Procedure Category, you will have two options, Imaging and Pathology. When you choose one of these, you can further filter the notes by procedure name in the drop-down menu below. For example, I can choose Imaging Notes and then further filter to see Spine Cervical Notes. Notice how the other panels, including the Interactive Visualization panel and the Count panel, have changed to reflect the filters that I put into place. If I want to remove any of these filters, I can go to the top left and click on the X to remove the filter. To look for a certain time period of notes, we will go to the top right corner. You can set your parameters here. This will give us a relative time period to look for. All of the dates associated with the notes and narratives are set to January 1st of the year in which they occurred to protect patient privacy. Now let us try to search for a report. I will click up here to the top left at the search bar. I'm going to search for reports that contain the phrase cancer. Notice how the Visualization and Count panel changed based on the search that I did. If we looked at the Data Table panel, these are all the notes and narratives that had the phrase cancer in them. And notice how we have different types of cancer listed. And say if we want to just look for skin cancer, I can put that phrase in quotes. Now we can see all the notes that contain the phrase skin cancer. If you would like to have full access to the notes, you must have IRB approval and must submit a data request. Please contact CTSI Data at wakehealth.edu for any questions that you may have. The link to this dashboard is in the description of the tutorial video. Thank you.